Hello friends, welcome back to the iSunShare channel. Today we will learn an easy way to fix Samsung Android system errors. iSunShare Android Repair Genius is a powerful repair tool to get your Samsung phones back to normal. You can safely get it from iSunShare official website. Now open the software and click Start. Input the device information. Click on the tip button behind each section to know how to get the information. After that, click the Download button. Click Yes to confirm the phone model is correct. Now, the software starts downloading your Samsung phone system package. You can follow the on-screen instructions to enter Samsung download mode minutes later. Click on the Start button, and the repair process will run automatically. Well, the phone is repaired successfully, and your phone restarts normally. You can activate and use it in your way. That's all for the video. I will see you in the next tutorial.